Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Alia Iram, lecturer of statistics, posted at SMBB GTGC Azam Basti, Karachi. Today I am going to share some information and a lecture on the topic of ratio, proportion and percentage. These topics are taken from business maths or first year commerce, and we are going to develop an understanding about these terms and try to solve some examples taken from the book Business Maths, authored by Sir Nadeemuddin. This chapter contains following topics. Number 1 is ratio, then continued ratio or combined ratio, dividing a quantity in a given ratio, proportion, direct proportion, inverse proportion, compound proportion, percentage. And in this lecture we will learn how to find out selling price, cost price, profit or loss, and percentage of found profit or loss, where S will indicate the selling price, C will show the cost price, and small r will indicate the rate of profit or rate of loss. Dear students, as we know that our common understanding of the term profit is when we sell something and we get the price higher than the cost at which we have purchased that item, the difference is called the profit. In business maths, we have a formula to find out that, and that is shown at the screen, saying that S is equal to C multiplied by 1 plus R, or we can find out the C or cost from this formula and we can derive it like C is equal to S upon 1 plus R. So profit is equal to the difference of selling price and cost, and when we are going to find out the percentage of profit, we have to divide this difference by cost and then multiply it by 100. And when we have to find out the loss, we will simply subtract selling price from the cost, means the difference will go reverse. And when we have to find out the percentage of loss, we will divide this difference by cost and multiply it by 100. The formula for selling price will be same, like C multiplied by 1 minus R, and from cost will be S divided by 1 minus R. Now we will try to understand these terms by solving some examples. Dear students, these examples are taken from the book we have introduced in the beginning of this presentation, authored by Professor Nadeemuddin. The example number is 26 and it says that the cost price of an item is rupees 500. Find the selling price if it is sold at 25% profit, and also find profit. So we start the solution of this example. First we will write down the cost price, which is rupees 500. Then we have given the profit percentage, which is small r, and that is 25%. When it is given in percentage, we simply divide this value by 100 and we find out the answer as 0.25. Now we know the formula, which is S is equal to C into 1 plus R. We will simply substitute the magnitudes here, C for 500, R for 0.25, and we will solve it and we will get the selling price as rupees 625. Now we know the formula of profit, which is S minus C. Simply put the values in the formula and get the answer as rupees 125. Next example is example number 27, and the question is, if the selling price of an item is rupees 625, find the cost price if it is sold at 25% profit on sale. Starting the solution, first we will put the given items or given values here. First one is S, that is selling price, which is 625 rupees. Then profit percentage, which is 25%, and when we divide it by 100, we get the answers as 0.25. Now we know the formula of cost, which is S upon 1 plus R. In case of profit percentage, we will substitute the values and we will get the answer as rupees 500. The example 28 is designed to find out the profit and percentage of profit. The question says that the costing an item is rupees 500 and it is sold for rupees 625. Find out the profit and percentage of profit. Starting the solution, we will simply note down the data, which is selling price is 625 rupees, cost is 500 rupees. Profit is obtained by differentiating the cost price from selling price. So the answer comes here 125, which is obtained by subtracting 500 from 625. Now, when we have to find out the percentage of profit, we will divide the cost price by the difference of selling price and cost price and then multiply it by 100. Means 125 divided by 500 multiplied by 100. The answer comes here 25%. Example number 29 says that the cost price of an item is rupees 500. Means we have purchased an item on the price of 500 rupees. Now find out the selling price if it is sold at 25% loss. Also find loss. Starting the solution, as usual we will simply write down the data first, which is cost as 500 rupees. Loss we are given here is 25%, which is 0.25. Now in case of loss, we know the formula as S is equal to C multiplied by 1 minus R. We will simply put the values here, C for 500, R for 0.25. We will do the calculations and we will get the answer as 375 rupees. Now when we have to find out the loss, we simply subtract the selling price from the cost, because जब हमारी चीज़ जो भी हमने खरीदी होती है उसकी सेल हमारी कॉस्ट से कम पैसों पर होती है, तो वो जो डिफरेंस है वो लॉस कहलाता है. That way we will substitute the values here for cost and selling price and we will get the answer as 125 rupees loss. The example shown on your screen is number 30. If the selling price of an item is rupees 375, find the cost price if it is sold at 25% loss. Starting the solution, we will write down the selling price as 375 as it is given in the question. Then the loss percentage is given here as 25%. Simplifying it will give us 0.25. In case of loss, we know the formula for the cost is S divided by 1 minus R. We are given the values of S and R. We will simply substitute the values in the formula. We will do the math and we will get the answer as 500 rupees. This example is designed to develop an understanding about the percentage of loss. So it is stating that the costing of an item is rupees 500 and it is sold for rupees 375. Find the loss and percentage of loss. Starting the solution, we will simply write down the given data here. S is equal to 375 rupees. Cost is 500 rupees. We can find out the loss by subtracting C minus S. And substituting the values will give us the answer as 125 rupees. Percentage of loss can be found out. Percentage of loss can be found out by dividing the difference by cost. C minus S divided by C and then multiplying the product. The answer as percentage of loss is equal to C minus S divided by C multiplied by 100. We will put the values in the formula and we will get the answer as 25%, which is percentage of loss. Dear students, in today's lecture or today's presentation, we tried to learn the different formulas of loss, profit, loss percentage and profit percentage, and we tried to develop the understanding through solving different examples taken from the book we have introduced here, authored by Professor Nadeemuddin. In the end, I wish you all best of luck for your upcoming examination. If you have any further query, you can contact me through my email address shown at your screens in the beginning of this presentation. Take very good care of yourself. Stay at home, stay healthy and stay safe. Take care. Goodbye.